the Fox an amazing story. Once, a clever cat and a sly fox met in the forest. The fox boasted, "I have many tricks to escape danger." The cat, humble, replied, "I know only one way to escape." Soon, hunters appeared. The fox, overwhelmed by choices, darted in every direction, but the cat quickly climbed a tree and was safe. The fox, caught by the hunters, looked up and sighed. The cat, watching from above, thought, "Sometimes, simplicity is the best strategy." Moral: too many options can lead to failure. Simplicity and focus often lead to success. Thank you for watching.